Electromagnet Science SCA by Sonam. Hello everyone, my name is Sonam and today we are gonna make an electromagnet at home. So how to make an electromagnet? So for that we will be needing an iron nail. We will be also needing any kind of battery and a copper wire. So for this activity, first we will take the copper wire and it should be flexible wire, and we will take the iron nail and then wind the wire tightly around the nail in the form of a coil. We will just wind it really tightly. See, like this. We have done it. And now what we are gonna do is we will connect the free ends of the wire to the terminals of the cell. See, like this. We have connected the free ends of the wire to the terminal of the cell. Now let's test our electromagnet. For testing it, we will be placing some pins and we will do like this. See, it is attracting the pins. These are the needles which we are doing. And now let's try it with the safety pins too. Yes, it is attracting the safety pins also. Thank you.